What's up guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Claude AI verification code not sending issue and stop the login loop quickly and easily. First, refresh the page and request a new verification code. Make sure you're only using the most recent code, since older codes can expire. Next, check your internet connection and try switching networks if needed. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off and request a new code. If the issue continues, try using a different browser or an incognito window. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies before signing in again. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder for the verification email, and make sure you're entering the latest code you've received. As a final step, try signing in from a different device. If nothing works, contact Claude support for further assistance. And that's it. That's how to fix Claude AI getting stuck on the verification code screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.